today, going back to the roots. When I first came to Townsville, didn't have a boat. Went to famous Uplands Weir, and when first 6-8 months in Townsville, I put a lot of time and effort into it. Caught a lot of fish there. Got my PB salty at the time there, 92. Caught plenty of quality fish around the 80s, but still never managed to crack one over the metre there. After this rain, kind of debatable, could be a fresh or saltwater fish, wouldn't count it as a salty, I don't think, depending on what it looked like. But we're going to be throwing some pretty big stuff at them. So that's kind of like your big DTF, like it's a big lure. But got a little present. I think we're going to give 12-inch one a bell. So that's the 12-inch Nimbus by Irukandji. These boys right here. So I'll be throwing that on my donkey stopper, as I like to call it. 300 Grado and a stupidly heavy rod, 15 to 24 kilos. But yeah, just over this year, could happen this afternoon. Honestly, uplands this time next week is going to be the best fishing all year probably. So hopefully we can go and get onto one. And if you see me with 1.20 m, I'll probably nearly be crying. So I'll see you when we're out there. And that's proof right there that the big girls are here. Dead meatery, dead meatery, dead meatery, dead meatery. Dead 3 more there. Look at them all, everywhere.
Hey guys, just filling in a bit here. So we're on one side of uplands, and there, as you can see, there's plenty of people around, and yeah, me and Kai Smith just decided we'd jump in, go for a swim to the other side, see what was going on over there. So as we're swimming across, just here you can see one of the boys got that back classic snagged up in a tree, so I thought I'd go and give aid to the boys. So I put a bit of an effort in there to get the Barra Classic back, which they were cheering about in it.
Holy that's f***ing done me!
Jumped up and yeah, got up under the rocks and fished the middle zone that no one had been able to fish.
So, just had to go for a little swim to just to get to a bit of unfished territory at Uplands Weir. It's crawling with people at the moment, so thought we might go with some virgin ground.
And it ended up being very unfruitful, and while we were over there fishing our own little set of rapids, the boys put 3 or 4 on the board and we caught nothing. So we ended up swimming back over, and yeah, we got on the board once we went back to where we started. So here's that fish.
How good's that? DTF is in there. Beautiful little barra on the DTF. Let's go, baby. Are ya?
He's just fucking around to find it out. I hold it because they will get a quick double video.
Yeah, I'll hold mine in my water. We'll get a picture of us both holding them up. Oh, me!
Like swim for it, you're already wet.
Yeah.
Been in once, might as well go again.
Oh, come on, Kai, what are you doing? Pull it in.
I thought these St. Croix were amazing.
Oh, he's dusted ya.
I thought St. Croix were a shit market, dude. Rather a Barrett as with a Rico.
It's got him. It's really in there. Hello, Pidgey. What is that? Can you hold this?
Yeah, lad, is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Let me get the hooks out of it first.
Cody's got like an 80. Guy's got a nice one. Fish on, lad. Doubles at the weir. Fuck yeah. Cody's.
There, whoa.
You!
Hell yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Get him back. Oh, you gotta get the hooks out of yours.
Get a 50.
Did you get my hook up on video?
I probably did. I would have, I'd say. So what do you reckon, Ryan? Moody just there?
Yeah.
Because that's exactly where I landed it.
Bottom back.
Oh,
Oh, he's gonna guess.
oh that's big.
Big fella?
Whoa. It's
Whoa. Wow.
it's
Clear out, lad. Clear out.
yeah, lift. Yeah, you're right. Okay, I lied. It just got. It's not that big. It's okay. It just got me in.
Fuck you, I'm like the meter lander. That's me swimming off in the flow.
Yeah, it's.
Oh, it could be bigger than you think. Big Jack. Oh, fucking. Oh, not big, Cody.
Okay, it might be not tiny.
I'll land over it. Very comfy, yeah.
Oh, I'm just don't want to go too heavy on him. That's a pretty big fish.
That could be a meter 10, eh? It's green. Without black clear, it's 32nd biggest. That was class. Really weight avoidance.
Oh, come here. He.
On the day.
He's actually not. He's big. But. Hey, hey, playing up. Oh, hey, hey. Yeah, baby.
But he's fat as fuck.
He's fat, isn't he? He's a chunky boy.
Do you have a spare DZS?
I've got like 10 if you
I
want to.
know, you love throwing them, you dog. Yeah, only one for the Ryan Moody course. We just cast there, I reckon. You'll probably be on. I told Cody where to cast. First cast he got like an 80. Now he's got a meter on the next cast.
That's all I needed. I just needed some guidance because I don't
from a higher.
I don't really know how to catch a barramundi. I haven't done it many times. I really just needed.
Shauno just got a hit, I think.
Got him. Did the damage once again.
Bless you, guy. Fucking would be meter 5.
I don't think he's that big. Do we actually think he's that big?
Oh, I know, eh? He's not as big as what we think.
I don't think he is as big. Like, he's a big fish.
Pull your end, Cody. That's edged as fuck. He's not even a meter.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
94. How big is he? 94. Really? He's just fat as fuck.
He's just a chunker.
Holy shit.
Wait, can you just point this at me? And
Yeah.
I'll get an actual picture in a second. Bro, he is like so heavy.
94.
Nice,
Chunky
nice
monkey.
barrier applins.
Let me take a step back.
How good's
Awesome.
that?
Nice doggy.
Wait,